Hi, Monique Burns coming to you today from Detroit, Michigan, in front of a house that we just renovated, and I've got a tour of it for you on this video. And I wanted to tell you what's going on with us. Some people have been saying, Monique, you haven't been posting. What's happening? Well, we bought several houses, just like this one. I sent out a bunch of letters. I think I might have told you I did that. I've been busy. My phone rang and rang, and there's a lot of landlords that have been tired of being landlords. No big surprise with what's going on with the pandemic. We were able to buy houses from them so that we could either work with the tenant, or the tenant would move, or some kind of situation. So it kind of takes time getting through all that. And our houses are coming available this summer at various times. And this particular house, we already sold. And I'll tell you what I sold it for. It's a 3-bedroom house. The rent is $1,000 a month. The insurance is, if you use my insurance company, the insurance should be right around $600 a year. And the taxes are typically, I'm just talking in general in Detroit, are around $1,200 a year, which means the houses that we're selling are at right around a 12% return on investment. Which our houses, like this one, get sold before we even get to renovating them. So if you are at all interested in buying a house in Detroit, this is how it usually goes down. Come for a tour if you're serious about buying. We don't just give tours for looky-loo people that are, we work. You're taking us out of work for a day. If you're serious about buying in Detroit, please come for a tour. And this one we sold to somebody from having taken them on a tour. And they actually bought a few houses, and then they said, hey, so I know you're just buying this one, but that one's for our maid of honor, and that one's for our best friend, and that one's for his brother, and that one's for her sister. So a lot of our houses get names on them already before they're even purchased, because when you come for a tour, we'll show you what we're working on now, even if somebody else bought it or is planning on buying it once we get it all done. And you'll see that our houses are all very similar on the inside. And then we'll pencil your name in for the next one coming up. What happens is people will end up buying the house at right about the same time the tenant moves in. And my husband and I just work on that whole transition between the purchase, the tenant, the property management, all that. So the best thing you can do is email me. Here's my email address up here, or you can go look on my website, and here is that address here. But I don't always update it because it happens so fast that it's bought, it's already sold. So sometimes people are like, there's nothing new on your website. It's because people keep buying them before I can put them on there. But I did just update it this week. If you're watching this currently, I've got about 3 houses that don't have names on them yet, which is surprising. So let's get inside and see how it looks.